Uh, whoa. Okay, it looks like it's back. I might be back. Hey, Jake's first. It should be the same link. Good chat. I don't know why not. Crap. So the weird thing, I don't know if anyone else has any experience with streams, but um, same exact thing happened last time I streamed. Like 20 minutes in, it crashed, and then I rebooted and it was fine the rest of the time. It says streaming status is poor right now. Um, you guys tell me if that feels bad. Is it buffering at all? Make the cannon shoot canny. Gosh, we're gonna need more time to work on this project. It sounds like. What I was gonna try to do is make a moon. Nope, feels great. Okay, cool. Yay. Okay. Make the count. Okay, frick me. Make the cannons sometimes break and need repairs. So we're gonna have a whole durability system now. I I would get up and like write a whole list just as like a bit of all the things you guys have said already, but I would not be at my desk anymore. Make an option to swap the cannons for harpoons. I had actually thought about harpoons because Sea of Thieves has harpoons, but that would be ridiculously difficult to do. One thing, however, whoa, wind only affects speed tree. Okay, never mind. One thing I was thinking I could do though is I can add a second directional light, which is like it should be up there somewhere. Um, well, there's the first one. Maybe I need to turn my clouds off. Do I see a second dot in the sky? No. What's the difference? Directional light? Oh, it just disappeared now. That's terrifying. Oh, wait. Is that the second one? Oh, I can only have one. So I was hoping I could have both of them on at the same time and I could turn one of them into the moon. That would have been kind of cool, but I guess not. So I guess I'll just delete the second one. So no moon yet. I guess we could do like a sky map with stars, but I don't know. I don't know how to do that right now. Um, oh, one other thing I haven't shown yet is we actually have the cannon working in a new way. So if you've been paying special attention, you'll see a number shooting off in the top left every time I fire the cannon. That is the velocity of it. And I am doing that with the right trigger on my controller. And yes, it's a controller game. Now, if I hold the left trigger, you see a number running through up to 1, and then it restarts. And at red, it changes to red at like 0.7 seconds or something. Pretty much, we can charge the cannon shots now and get faster, harder shots. So when it turns day again, I will show that off a little bit because it's pretty fun. So this is normal shot, and then this is full on shot. Literally just clipped through the whole thing right there. That's okay. That second one was weird because it bounced and then clipped. I don't know what that was about. We have a system right now that's really kind of crappy where for the first zero point 0.2 seconds, a cannonball doesn't collide with anything, and that way we avoid it colliding with the player's ship. However, if the cannonball is going really fast, that zero point 0.2 seconds is way too long, and it's going to just pass through other things in the environment. So what we've been talking about, and what I might do now, because I think it might be really easy, is I could switch that 0.2 seconds for a bounding box, and once it leaves the ship's bounding box, then it is collidable, and that way it does what we want it to do just way more efficiently. Hmm? Has it changed? Crafting system? Crafting system. Oh, I am being told by my earpiece person that I am missing. Oh, it was set to top chat instead of live chat. That's stupid. Make boat pets. Yes. Yeah, like a ferret to hunt rats. Smaller boats who follow you or sit atop your boat. Oh. Or even better, pet giant octopus who can sink enemy ships. Pet kraken. That's sweet, actually. Make a little frog who sings songs. Oh no, bro. Oh, now I'm back. Now I'm caught up. Uh, Pet boat would be pretty funny. Specifically, a pet that is a boat. I like that one a lot. Um, I don't think that would be that hard to do when we have AI set up because the enemies are going to need AI that follows the player. So that would just be a small boat that follows the player and doesn't do anything. But we don't have AI set up yet. So that's nothing yet. Nothing yet. I'm going to look at this though. Make an AI that makes. Hey. I don't know if that's possible. So right now we have this happening. So it passes through and then it doesn't pass through. Pretty cool. But I want a bounding box on the ship. So I need to go to the ship, but I need to go to the parent ship specifically because I want this for all the ships. So we're going to add a bounding box. Bound? Is that not what it's called? Crap. Can I not do that? Oh, box collision. There we go. And I guess the hard thing is it will need to sort of be a different size for each ship. So maybe I should just add it to the baby ships. I don't know if Aiden ever rejoined, but Aiden, if you're here, I would love your input on that. Because it does need to change per ship, so I think I'll do it per ship. Sounds pretty simple. On what? Oh, Aiden's here. I had said that I was thinking about doing the collision thing and trying to change the collision instead of the 0.2 second delay to be the bounding box for each ship. But I was wondering if you think I should do the bounding box on the parent or each individual ship, because the ships are all different sizes, so in theory they need different sized bounding boxes. I was leaning towards making one for each ship because it's really easy and it would be more accurate. Put that in the parent. We can change it in the chat. Oh, okay, cool. Dang it. Well, now I gotta go back. Uh-huh. Box collision. Jake says, yes, interesting idea. I don't know if that's sarcasm or not. 6 people? Who invited people? Who's here? Who are you? uh, huh? Uh, this is getting huge. Oh my god, why is it gotta be a long boat? Okay, that's the whole thing. And then that's the sides. She made a big smiley face. Always make sure to put children in a box. Yes. Yeah, the worst part is that when you add a blueprint actor to a blueprint, it is called a child actor. And that feels pretty bad. So we do employ child actors. I think that's pretty good. I'm going to rename this to Bounding Box. What an incredible name. Okay, now that that's a component of this ship, I'm going to try something I learned earlier, where in theory, I thought I'd be able to reference it, but I guess that's only the world thing. Can I do actor component? Get component, no. How do I get the bounding box from the boat referenced in here? I want to try this. This is going to be weird. Hold on. If I drag this over here, I drag that over there. Can I... Oh, it looked like it was going to work. Look at that. Just do dot get bounding box. Okay. Nope. Get... I feel like it should be get actor component. Aiden, feel free to help me out if you can. Components by class? Actor component? Oh, yeah, wait. Bounding, no. Darn. Get big phone? I don't know. Is that a reference? 8 viewers. Who's here? Who are you? Big Yoshi. Get big Yoshi. I did not. Aiden, help me. Can't believe you didn't get my ref. Get big phone? I don't know that one. Should I know that one? Um, I could do this on overlap. It's from Adventure Time. Oh, I don't want to make a whole of... God, this sucks. I don't know what I'm doing. Try and over... Oh. Try and on overlap in the cannonball blueprint. Huh. Yeah, it was boring, I guess. We lost 4 viewers. Yeah, so try an on overlap in the... So I'm assuming that I'm looking at the correct kind. but I don't know if I like what's going on here. On overlap end. I see that. Um, so I think, and I'm obviously just so right now, select collision. So right now, no overlap, no collision until it overlaps with the thing. This is not set up properly yet, but it overlaps with the thing. Good night, Kai. Thanks for hanging out. God. 5 years again. Wow. So it's not overlapping, and then if you implemented any of my ideas, you owe me $8. On component begin overlap from the shear from the what? And oh my God, Aiden, I'm trying my best here. And component begin overlap from the sphere. Oh. Yeah, that makes sense. But couldn't I do it on end? Because I could have it when it ends, collisions turn on. Overlapped actor sphere. Why is this sphere down here, but it's not? Okay, there it is. No, that's not how that works. God dang it. Other actor? You need a reference to the object. To the object. To the cannonball object or the click the green plus. I'm getting babied. Which green? Okay, there's two. The sphere details. What do you mean? Oh. 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 Okay. On component begin overlap. Green plus. Jesus. Okay. We have a new guy. Eureka! Set the exposure sheet to the God dang it.
If I set the exposure sheet to the contact point for the bounding box at the origin.
Yes, that's it. It's so simple. Okay, the overlapped component. Can I say bounding box? Can I say ship? What is it even called? Boat? It's probably called boat something. Why is... Because I want to overlap with the boat pawn, right? Other actor. I could do over other actor, but I want it to be an other component. But I want it to be a component of the other actor. Aiden says XOX. Epically. Yep. Goodbye, P-cakes. This is interesting. We have a weird thing here. I bet Aiden is pulling his hair out right now. Do I not care about this? Can I delete this now? I should not be doing this. I don't know what I'm doing, clearly. So it says that I've got 3 viewers right now. I think I know who 2 of them are. Wait, now, one area says 3, one area says 4. I'm not really sure which it is. Okay. I'm just gonna fumble around a little bit because I think it sounds like it'd be fun. So this is interesting. On component begin overlap. What if instead? What if instead on component end overlap, and we'll use this up here. We're gonna kill this right now. I feel like I have this because I feel like when it ends overlap with the boat pawn. Wait, I want boat pawn parent, right? Other actor, boat pawn parent. So when it ends the overlap with the boat pawn parent, I want it to stop. Oh, but this is like an event. This has to be the beginning. I see why I want it to be beginning. Aiden says GST? I don't know what that even is. Ah. Oh, it's an exclamation point. Ah, I see it. There it is. But, so since it's an event, I need this to be the start, so I can't have it be... Oh, yeah. Cassius says a hiding emoji. I like that. So I could just have it so that in like the collision thing over here, it's just set to whatever this is saying, basically. And then I could have the event be that when it ends. Or is that even worth doing? Would it just be easier to do start? Probably. Let's see. Where's my OBS? Okay, so this is the beginning. So on overlap with the boat, we want to set the collision thingy to do this. Oh, I'm not going to kill that. I'll just move it over because I want it to be clear. So it starts on overlap. We set the collision to just F off. And then on end overlap, we set it to hit stuff. Does this look fine? Aiden, does this look like it would like, do I need to do anything with this right now? On actor end overlap. I guess I could just test it. It compiles properly, which is shocking for the amount of like absolute nothingness that has come out of my mouth for the past while. I guess I'll just see if it works. A print statement. Yeah, that's a smart way to do it, but I'm already in here now, so there's no stopping me anymore. Oh, the shadows. It's going to be nighttime. They're hitting. They're colliding with the world. And they're not colliding with the boat. That... Did I do it? Did I code something? Oh my god. And I gotta wait for the date. Oh, there we go. There we go. Got my controller. Oh my god, the controller's turning on. It's gonna be nighttime before it. Oh, that clipped through. I wonder about that. Yeah. We still have the fog, too, which is weird how that looks right now. I don't know. Aiden, that looks pretty solid right now. Like I can't hit the mast at all, and it's pretty darn consistent with hitting the. Never mind. Is it too slow? Like, is it being? Oh, see, it hit that one. Maybe this island's weird. No, that doesn't sound right. But like, the delay is removed. It should be happening immediately. It should clip through that box, I'm pretty sure, by the way. It should not be clipping through the brown crap here. I'm not sure. It's definitely not hitting the player boat at all, which is good. But some of them, that hit. I don't know. It seems better. There's a less amount of pass-throughs, it feels like. Why is this island suck? If I just... It's like every single cannonball is passing through this island. Let me look at its collisions. There's definitely a whole big piece of garbage there. So, like, those are horrible collisions, by the way. I need to fix that. But I don't know why that's passing through right now. So, yeah, I could check a print statement. I can make a print statement to see when exactly it's enabling, right? So, select... Print string. Yeah. In string. Uh, collidable. It'll say collidable in big yellow. Okay. So in theory, as soon as the balls are able to hit something at all, we should see the word collidable on the screen. It shouldn't be right when they're shot, but it should be just right after it. Oh, we don't see it at all. Something else is going on entirely. Uh, Let me just bring this over here. I'm going to just put that there. Will it show me? I don't see anything moving in this. Did you turn off the old timer system in the cannonball? Didn't mess with collisions today. I don't know if they were actually doing anything. The old timer system? Is that not what this was? Cannonball particles. Like, cause this was the 0.2 second delay, right? Uh, oh lol, my bad. Yeah, I mean it feels like it should be this. It's not even showing this happening though, which maybe this isn't even happening. The overlap with the boat isn't actually being processed. Oh, was I piloting the wrong boat? Because that's just the dinghy. Was I piloting? No, I don't think I was piloting the wrong boat. So turn it off and see what happens. That's a good idea. I want to check it one more time. Yeah, nothing's moving at all on that. Okay, I've just disabled it off screen. My bad. It was off screen. Sue me. 3, click. And it's turning night. It's... Oh, see, that totally hit the ship right there. Didn't it? Yeah. So, what is happening? So, but why is the print string not going? That's the weird thing. It says, nice job. So clearly what I did was helping, although it's really ugly right now. I'll move this here and move this down here, although that sucks. I'm gonna just get rid of these guys right now. It seems like this is happening, but even when I simulated it over here, none of the lines changed colors or anything. Like usually the white lines there will turn red and show what is moving or what is being activated. And it's just not doing that at all, which is really strange. I'm going to try making a different print string right here. This will just be a hello one because I don't care. Just to see if it's... Yeah, it says more... Yeah, I get you. So as soon as it fires, it should say hello, but it's not saying hello. This is super weird because we just saw that I was hitting the mast when this was unchecked. So clearly this is doing something. However, the print statements aren't showing up, which would make it seem like it's not doing something. What is happening? What's going on? Uh... Huh. It didn't even print this. Try to access object as a blueprint class. Maybe it is. Well, I put a... Hi, new viewers. I put a print string at the beginning of this code here, and although I just confirmed it was working, it's not printing at all. The very beginning of the code has a print string, and it should be saying hello to me every single time I shoot my cannon here. And I know that this code is working because I just tested it without it, and it was behaving differently. But now, it's not printing hello, which implies it's not working, which doesn't make any sense at all. So, don't really know what to do with that. Uh, I mean, that's just weird. I know. Here's one other thing to test out. In theory, if all of this is working, our 7-second delay should kill the cannonball at the end, right? So let's do... I'm going to move it so that nighttime isn't happening every 2 seconds. And I'm going to just go shoot at, like, the land over here. And that would just be a good way to test that cannonballs are going through the whole thing. So in like 7 seconds, the cannonballs should disappear if that whole string of code is processing. Add print strings to the end, says Aiden. Yeah. It looks like It's not going through. They're not despawning now. Weird. I'll make the delay like 2 seconds so I don't have to sit around. He said, never mind. Yeah, I mean, like, I might as well look at it with the print string on there too, but like, I don't know if it's gonna be any different. Yeah, so they're going through some of the code, but they're not dying. The cannonballs are not going away. So we know that at the very least, this isn't happening. This isn't happening even. Which, I don't know. I don't know why not. Why not? Maybe it's this thing. Maybe this is weird. On actor. This is interesting. Maybe I need enter this here. Because this wasn't doing anything. Maybe that was the issue? Question mark? Hayden says, I'm sorry, I don't think it's doing anything. I sort of agree. But when I disconnect this, I don't know why that didn't work. Crap. And I compile this. So I've just disconnected the whole thing. And I'm playing it. And now the cannonballs, maybe not. They did seem to earlier be hitting the mast, but maybe they weren't? What? That's so weird. Okay. So the whole thing wasn't doing anything. It was wrong from the start. So why is that not doing anything? Whoa, crap. What am I missing? $39 views? What? That doesn't sound right. No, like overall. Okay. So this isn't working at all, clearly. Which means something. I don't think the mast has collision. Huh. What are we even doing? Ah. Why am I even doing this? Where it's clipping through with its launch velocity. Yeah, like is that it? This isn't even useful at all because it just can't hit itself if the mast doesn't have collisions. I mean, can the other boat hit itself? Number 2 here? Yeah, that freaking just destroyed itself nearly. Okay, but this boat cannot hit itself. No, it just did. I know you had to have seen that. So this, what is going on? But I was testing this for like 10 minutes and that didn't happen a single time when this was connected, even though it's not giving any print statements. This is so weird. What am I missing? So, okay, I'm gonna try. It was like the cannon was pointing a little bit to the ship's left of the mast, and it. Okay, so it just happens no matter what. So we fixed nothing at all. This is literally nothing. I need to delete this because this event isn't happening for whatever reason. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know how to use this. But this isn't happening. It ain't running at all. I agree. This is part of the original code. This is not. I'll just kill all this. What was the original? Just begin, like start event, event begin play, or what was it? I shouldn't have deleted that stupid note. I should have kept it, but just whatever. I wonder if I can scroll back. I can look at the record. Oh, that's cool. I can just look at the recording from earlier, the stream. There it is. Enhance. That's weird. I can't go back in time. Yeah, it was event begin play. This is happening. And then whoa. Pog dog dude. Hi Slip Kid. I miss you. Event begin play. It isn't colliding. And then on event end, I could bind to on actor end overlap. That sounds really promising. I don't know if you agree or not. Bind to on actor end overlap. I like this. This sound is nice. Event actor. No. I want to go in here, right? Oh, I killed the details panel. How do I get the details panel back? That's so stupid. Details, there we go. Component end overlap. Can I do that? Into that? Does that look right? Aiden, is this how I bind events? I have no idea. Ah. With other actor. Boat. Boat. Pawn. Dinghy. I don't know. We'll do a bunch of strings this time. We'll even just see if well, I'm literally gonna do a string at every single one of these. Oh, that didn't even ooh. Fatal issue. The function does not match the necessary signature. Necessary signature. That sounds like nerd. 68 views? That can't be right. I've potentially gotten 68 views over the life of the stream. I don't know how long I've been streaming at this point, though, so I don't know if that's a lot or not. Yeah, I know like 4 people that in theory should have joined at this point, so I don't know. That's wild. 70. It just keeps going up, but I don't see more people joining. I don't know what's happening. Maybe people are just swiping through streams or something and it's popping up and then they're swiping away. I don't know. Event signature, whatever. I don't know what that means at all. A custom event. Do I want to do a custom event? No. Aiden just says no. I don't know what exactly he's saying no to. That's not how I do that at all. Why am I even doing this? I could just do something else. Just do one event off the on end overlap. Like a custom event. Oh, so like just do a custom event like this? Yes? No? I need a response because I have no idea what I'm doing. Um, okay. And then print string after end overlap, like this guy. This one's gonna go away. It compiled nicely. No, of your new event. Ah. Oh, just like wait, just like this. Just like this is a separate thing. Like this. Why do I not understand what you're saying? Yes. Yes. No. Which thing? Aiden. 11 concurrent viewers. I call bullcrap. That's ridiculous. Do 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 do. They're watching the stupidest person possible right now. 10, 9, this is kind of 6. That's so funny. Connect the old blue nodes, then print to the red one. Connect. Then, okay, I've connected the old blue nodes, then the print to the red one. You want the, oh, just this? You want the print on this? Yeah, that's gross. Hold on. Just that? Yes. Yay! Okay, 11 viewers, you can come back now. No. What happened? Hello. It just cannibal dot. Whoa! 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 We got the end of the string print. Come back, viewers, come back, please. It's happening. Aiden has held my hand through every single step of this. Okay, so. Oh, oh. I'm gonna try to hit that little corner bit like I kept hitting earlier. The print strings are all going. I can't seem to hit my own ship. This is huge. It still phases through. It's gotta just be a speed thing. It's gotta just be going too fast and it just goes through. Which is a problem, objectively, right? Like that's not good. It seems to hit the ships no matter what though. That was a pretty fast one. So why is it the see that even hit? Oh geez. Maybe we just need to lower the yeah, okay. Switch to Edgar and run around. Okay. Oh God. Look at this. Am I gonna fall through? No. Like I know they said no. I am gonna fall through. Whee! Okay. So let's fix that. Control B to browse. I'm gonna go to island. So one of the issues I have right now is I added I had the hole count at like 32 or something stupid. It should be really low, but the verts should be higher. Because I actually only want one. I want one hole for this. If I know what that word means, then I only want one. Like that should be good. I guess I can increase the precision. I don't know why I wouldn't. It just takes a little longer. I don't know if it would. I mean, look at that. That's beautiful. Sam's asking why the island is in a city. That's a good question. Slick. Okay. Well, congratulations, guys. The stream has officially passed 100 views. That's wild. I don't know how much I trust that, but that's pretty good. Paulina? Paulina! Hi! I did not expect that. That's cool. Um, Aiden, have you met Paulina? I don't think so, right? Yeah, at the part. Oh, that's a okay, weird. Wow. Hey. Okay. Oh, you guys see that? Okay, freaking sick. Cannon works. Balls works. Hits the things. This is huge. I should redo the other island piece too. Boats, boats, boats. Gotta love boats. Oh, that's so satisfying. I wish all of my 100 not concurrent viewers were here to see this. They'd be so proud of me for listening to Aiden's step-by-step instructions. uh, 5 people. Well, those 5 people have got to be so excited that they stuck around for this. Every single cannonball is hitting perfectly. Jake, we fixed it. Look at that. Every single ball is hitting the island perfectly. Nothing is wrong. Everything is right. Game's being published on Steam tomorrow. I don't think we need anything else. That's it. I guess, yeah, boat pets will be DLC. Oh, wow. I could just do this all day. Ooh, that hit the tree. Incredible. I don't even know what to do now. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for watching. Um, I guess I do want to. I don't even. Oh, I don't even have the other island type up right now, so I won't do it. Just popped in because you were so excited. How do you know I was so excited? By the way, again, add the big boat here makes all the rules. That would be good. That would be good. A giant boat secret boss, and it teleports out of the map immediately. That'd be amazing. So excited. Okay, so that's amazing. So one other thing that I want to try to add is I want the cannon's color to change as you're charging up a shot. And I'm not entirely sure how to do that yet. But I think it's gotta be possible. So I think step one would be going to, because what I think I can do is I'm gonna show you guys with particles in, like, maybe I can show it with the cannon fire. I don't think I'm using it specifically a lot right now, but there's this curve, and I can add different colors. Let's say blue, for example. Um, and the particles change to those colors on their timeline. So they start white and turn blue or whatever. So there's your cosmetics, Sam. Boom. Blue smoke. No Godzilla. We can make Boatzilla. But so I'm hoping, point being, I'm hoping I can add a color curve to my material? Question mark? Inside a blueprint? I don't know. But I know this exists, and I know blueprints exist, and I know materials exist, so why not all three happening? So I need to find out where Aiden has created the cannon charge thing. I'm going to guess it's in here in combat actions in charge shot. Yeah, epics. So charge timeline. What's that? Hmm. Sweet. So I feel like I should be able to just have it run off this exact same timeline. Color? Make color? Make color from individual no. Color. Linear color. I don't know what those are about. Interpolate. Linear color from current target. Current to target. Scaled by distance to target. This sounds interesting. And then there's the Niagara stuff. This might actually be what I was talking about. No. Color array. I don't want an array. Let me try interpolate. Oh, cool. I don't know how this is going to work at all. So I'm just going to set two really crazy saturated colors. Interpolate linear color from current to target. Speed it. I don't even know what I'm doing at all. How do I... Aiden says, you're doing great. I appreciate that. So can I grab the cannon, and I have in the cannon, this is all in the blueprint, there's this material here, navy blue. What can I do with this? What is this guy? I would like for the material to specifically be a component of the ship right now. I just don't know if that's a thing. Okay, let me try something else. We're gonna go into this. Is this where I had the chart shot? So this is where I have this weird color thing. We're gonna pause on that. Material. Set physical material override. Physical material is weird, but like canon 1? Set material is a node. I bet there's another thing to set the material or something. Yeah. So like, is it set material? Is it set... Ooh, here's a lot of crap. There's a ton of material stuff. Create dynamic material instance, which you can modify during gameplay. If that's not what I want, I don't know what is. I want my navy blue, right? Navy blue. Optional name. Cannon. Charge. Color. That's super useless, but it's optional, so why not? Creating flags. Creation flag. Actually, I'm gonna look up this node on the documentation because I don't want to get too far ahead of myself. Create dynamic material. Whoa, that popped up really fast. I think I'm being spied on. Holy crap. I guess I am streaming, so that's something. Uh, gosh, that was weird. In and out. I don't really know what this node does. And this one doesn't really do anything. It seems like. Oh, that's cool. That's fine. So yeah, Sam's just pointed out in my ear that on Discord, I have my YouTube linked on my Discord. So there's a purple status that shows that I'm streaming, which is kind of scary actually, because that means anyone from school could have seen this, including Paulina. I know Paulina saw it, and I'm cool with that, but I'm kind of worried that someone else might have. It's kind of terrifying. Material. What am I doing? Set material override. See, that sounds good too. Dynamic material instance. Get material. Get. Oh, none of these actually have the word material in them. Set material. Is it canon 1? Is that what it's called in here? That would be stupid. That's not stupid at all. That's really cool. Oh, Paulina says, I found it from YouTube. Cool. Set material. Oh, this would just directly set it to one thing. 2 would be needed for 2. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Create dynamic material instance. This sounds amazing. So, is this timeline is a scale from 0 to 1. What would be cool is even just to start, because I know it's a little more complicated than this, but what would be cool is if I could have this update this. Oh, but I can only have it go to one thing? Could I use a branch there? Would that be something I could do, or would that be not good? Creates a dynamic material instance, which you can modify during gameplay. The other weird thing is this is just set to the single sequence node. Okay. I'm not sure if this is even what I want yet, because this is changing this, like, whoa, wait. Get material? No, I don't want that. Could I just do this? No. That's what I want to do. God. Well, maybe I don't know. I'm going to look this up a little bit. I'm going to do some research. How to animate material on a blueprint. All right, I'm going to be uncharacteristically boring for a second because I'm watching a video on how to do what I need to do. Do. How to create an animated material in Unreal. Uh. Oh, wait, they're totally doing pretty much exactly what I want. 9 concurrent viewers. Hello, strangers. Oh, okay, so they're using the exact same thing as me, which is cool. They are wait. 6. Yeah, they didn't like that I called them out. Okay, so one thing that's interesting is level blueprint. So he's doing this in the level blueprint. I don't know if I like that or not. Because he's referencing the object from the world. Hmm. Okay. So I have it referencing this material, and it's going into this create dynamic material instance. I have it sequenced, so this is happening, and then the other stuff is happening. I think that should be okay. Now, the guy in this video has just created a variable called, I'm going to call it material animation right now because I don't know exactly what I'm making. And it's not clear what kind of variable it is. He's in like Unreal 4. Variable type material instance? That's a thing? Material instance. That's convenient. Okay. No, I want to set. Set material instance. Okay. I'm going to get rid of this weird node for now. I don't know what it's doing. Okay. Hmm. Whoa. So, he's doing something that I don't think I'm going to be able to do, but I'm not entirely sure. I guess I'll just watch for a minute. Set vector and set scalar parameter values. Yeah. Parameters. Okay. This guy's on to something. So he like set this up and then he did an entirely different thing where he made it that on a button press, uh, his variable is plugged into something called set vector parameter value. And that is just referencing the color on his material, which I think I want to do. Set vector parameter value. I don't know how exactly I'm going to use this yet, but it feels like it's a good thing. And he is using the get this guy and plugging this into. Oh, that just doesn't work at all. Oh no, that's not what I want. Set vector parameter value. Crap. These are those stupid material parameter collection. Okay, we're gonna make a material parameter collection, and I actually know how to do this because of school. Yay! So in here, I'm gonna go into materials, material parameter collection, and I'm gonna call this canon params. And what we're also going to do is in the materials, we're going to take this navy blue and we're going to duplicate it. And we're going to call this canon im underscore canon, probably. Because I need this to be its own material so that it's not affecting everything else in the world that is navy blue. So we're going to go into the boat pond parent viewport. We're going to grab this and we're going to type in canon. We're going to switch that material. Cool. Now, that is the first step. We're going to open up this material and we're going to name this parameter canon underscore color. I'm going to save that. And now I'm going to go into the material. No, it's in my effects folder. I'm going to go into canon parameters and I'm going to add a vector parameter. I'm going to add one and it is going to be boodoop parameter name canon underscore color. Perfect. Default value should have already been set. I'm going to just pick that. Perfect. Now save. Now we're going to get back into this guy. Not this guy. Completely wrong things. I'm going to close some of these because I'm not using them anymore. And I'm also going to save my project because I haven't done that in a very long time. Save all. Thank God it hasn't crashed since earlier. That's a miracle. We are going to go back into the charge shot stuff. And now I can add the... Oh, I don't see it. Canon params. Okay, canon params. So now I can put canon color in there. Okay, something's happening. Could I just do this? That's probably fine. I don't know. Okay. Yes. And now the video I'm watching, he's actually using a timeline to do this. So that should be really nice. Update. Oh, this is weird. What? Oh my god. I can go in here and I can add a color track, which is what I was talking about in the effects thing earlier. So that's pretty freaking cool. Canon color. And then at the bottom of this here is the little colors. So now, God, that took me so long to find this. Now I feel like I'm doing something right, at least. Wow. Okay. Let me do this. So that way I can color pick the original color. And then that didn't work at all. There we go. And then for now, again, I'm just gonna do like crazy red, I guess. I'm gonna compile that and I'm gonna minimize that and bring this back up. So it should change from bluish to reddish in a perfect universe where I've actually hooked this all up properly, which I haven't. Compiler, parameter value, pin, has nothing in it. Oh, wow, look at that. Compile. Oh my god. If this works, I'm gonna bring this down here, maybe. Oh, there's no good way to do this. I'm sorry, Aiden. It sucks. Uh, I don't want to test this because I'm really scared that it's not going to work and I don't know what I'm doing at all. But I also know I need to test it, so we're going to test it. So in theory, as I hold it down to do the charge shot, it should turn red. I am grabbing my controller right now. Okay. It is not turning red. Okay. That was not as disappointing as I thought it would be. But now I guess this is probably where Aiden would say print strings, print strings, print strings. I do want to see. I just want to check what he had done first, though. His timeline goes. Oh, this is weird. Wait. Wait. Let me try something. This is a different thing. This is just saying that this is a thing. Oh, and I changed the. Oh, wait. Canon color. But I think these are two different things. Still. So I just changed two things, and I know I'm not supposed to change two variables when I do something, but you know, it's not good science, whatever. Controller. Still nothing's happening. Okay. Slightly more disappointing this time around because I thought I fixed two things there, but maybe I just didn't. Um, go back to this. Dang it. What's going on? Rough track. What is it? Oh, that's he's using that for something else. Oh, wait. No, because this is set to canon parameters. That should be right. This should be set up properly. And it's coming from the timeline. I guess maybe I'll do a print here to see if this is even happening. Print hello. Okay. You're supposed to use the material you make in the set vector parameter value. So this is like, oh, you mean like this? This canon change charge color thing? So this is a weird thing where it's like, in the video I'm watching, he's just plugs the variable in, um, but it doesn't let me plug that in here. It's actually asking for a collection instead of just a target like his was. Wrong button. But so a collection. So I needed to make this collection, which is referencing the Canon color parameter from my Canon color material. And then this, if I'm being honest with you, I'm not actually sure what this is doing. I think this just makes it so that it's able to be adjusted. But this isn't doing anything. This variable doesn't actually end up doing anything at all. So I don't actually know what this does. Because that was how the guy set it up, but I'm now realizing his thing is out of date as well. Or not updated, whatever. I don't know. Because he did it in 4 and it's just different. When I charge, I should. Oh, so it is loading that the color change thing. Did I just not compile my oh my god. The ship? Because the ship had the I guess I need to save this too. Just because there's this, right? Canon now. Well, it was already compiled, so it should be the same, but I don't know. It's trying to work. I guess. And the color shifts to red over the timeline. That looks correct. And I'm randomly clicking on things now. Charge shot. Charge shot. when this timeline goes, it should do this. It should go from this color to this color in this parameter value. Parameter value. So, why isn't it working? I did just save it. Maybe that was the singular difference I needed. No. It's spamming all the hellos, so I know it's playing that. And it only spams them for as long as I'm holding the mouse down, which is a really good indicator that the timeline is playing through correctly. But the material isn't animating. Yeah. Hi, new viewers. I'm trying to make the material on my Canon animate while I charge the shot. It's supposed to turn from this navy blue to like a red, and it's not doing it. But all the hellos spamming down the side of the stream should indicate that it's at least almost working, but it's not. And I don't know why. I don't know. Create dynamic material instance. Set the value of material animation. But this isn't even being used anywhere. This is nothing. This seems like it means something, but I don't know if it actually does. Maybe I'm just missing something in all this. So I have this printing. Now let's try printing this, I guess, to see if that's actually running. That's going to be hellos again. So I should be able to just go to the boat and hold. So that's going. Like, that does make it seem like it should be changing colors. Everything is printing kind of exactly how I would expect it to. But the Canon on this... Wait. No. Okay, it's not changing on either of the boats. I thought for a second that maybe it was changing on this boat and I was just looking at the wrong thing. But that's not how this is set up. So, I don't know. Well, ooh, idea. I have it set on the parent boat, but is it set on the dinghy? I mean, I know I just saw that it's not working on the parent boat either, but oh, I don't know. Canon. Yeah, so that did update that. That's good to know at least. Canon underscore color. Canon underscore color is the same as Canon underscore color. Dang, I wish I knew what was going on. Aiden, do you have any ideas? Like, I feel like this should be working. I'm gonna do something stupid here. I doubt that'll do anything, but material is the Canon. Let's see. $14 viewers. Okay, just quick recap because there's a slight chance that someone knows more than me in here. Trying to make it so that the cannon on the ship shows a different color. Set the material will change the color, but I don't know about change the color of material. Could be done in the material blueprint. A material blueprint. Yeah, but I'm just worried that, like, how would I tie that to the timeline in the boat? You know what I mean? Because it's depending on this timeline, because this timeline's tied to this event. So if I were to set it just within the material editor, I don't think that would, like, do anything. And I mean, the person I'm watching video of, like, Do you think I can call an event in here? Because I'm 90% sure I can't. Um, I don't know. I'm open to suggestions on what I could do in here, though. In the video that I was watching, he literally just made a color, and then, because the whole point is that this thingy, this canon parameters, references it and animates it. But here's that. I'll show you that again if you want to take a look at it again. Oh, wait a minute. 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 I just listened. The guy in the video said, and I quote, in order to make this animatable, it needs to be a material instance. So, we are going to try. Why is this not seeing the other one? It's because it's an instance. It doesn't want to replace a normal material with an instance. That's stupid. Okay, hold on. So I'm going to switch boat parent viewport canon canon instance now. Compile, save. Open this up. I should be able to delete. Why does it still think it's being used by this? It's not. Whatever. Oh, because it's in the blueprint. Now I got to go into the charge shot, and I need to change all these to crap. I need to change this because this is called canon. Crap. Wait, where is it? Where is it? Delete video. Yeah, I'm just worried that if I force delete it, it's going to have a panic attack. And it wasn't letting me replace the references. It's not showing the instance in there for some reason. But I'll just save all and then I'll force delete it because it should be fine because it's just a material. It's not like it's a huge component of the game. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, okay. It froze for just a second. Oh. Don't delete the material? Well. Oops. That's quite the typo there. Jesus. Oh, I can't delete the material because it's an instant. Yeah, because now this is nothing. Because that was it. This is an instance of that material, so that's kind of funny. I guess I could delete this now. Sorry, guys. Freak me. And I'll make this im_canon. And that should sort of help because now it's named the thing. Whatever. We're going to go back into our boat. And we're going to do all sorts of fixing ups. Player, boat character, boat pawn parent. Now, in here, we want to find some stuff. We want to find this, select asset, canon, im_canon. It's a material instance. Perfect. Now, we want to make sure that our canon parameters are referencing the correct thing. And we also want to go to this guy and set it to im_canon again. So now I'm going to go to the effects thing and open up this thing. And I don't really know how this works. It's just referencing the material called canon_color. So I just need to make sure that that is still what the color of this is called. Oh. But it doesn't do that right. Global vector parameter values. That's also interesting. I've just enabled that. We're just going to see what happens. We're going to compile everything and see if we don't burn the whole world down. Because who knows? Maybe it'll work. No. Still not changing colors. The world... Whoa, that was a new one. We went through the whole island there. Jeez. I'm sure I just haven't like updated a reference or something properly, but Jeez, this is tiring. Killing me a little bit. Cannon. Charge shot. Let's just run through this again. This is referencing the correct material. I think you can use an event dispatcher to call events in material blueprints. The event could be as simple as change color, and then just call it on the timeline update. Okay, I will look into that as soon as I just verify that these are all what they're supposed to be. Yeah, they are. And then I just want to go to the viewport and look at this one more time. This is the correct thing. It is a material instance. So you think, but I can't do it in the instance, so I will make a duplicate of the navy blue just to look at this. Event dispatcher. Event dispatcher. To call events in material blueprints. Dispatch. Okay, neither dispatch or event show up in here, unless there's a different word for it. I have no idea. Oh, wait, no, that's not right. I thought I got somewhere, but I didn't. And this is referencing the color of navy blue. Oh. Let's try that. Because I changed it to... Is there any test event you can tie it to? Well, give me 1 second, because that wasn't working properly, because this is all referencing canon underscore color, and this wasn't actually using canon underscore color. This was just named param. So there's a very small chance that that's fixed it. And of course, it hasn't. That is the second time we have friggin' done this, though. This is a new one. Okay, that's pretty cool. Is there any test event I can tie it to? Just start with trying to do it on begin play. In the material thing? I don't know. Like I think I don't understand. Event patch call events in materials. So you're saying I should create in here that I could somehow reference in the material editor? Because I just don't think you can call an event in a material editor. Because I've worked in it a lot, but I've never seen that. I just don't know if that's a thing. And I also just don't know why this isn't working. It's killing me. Everything's set up properly at this point. Canon color. This even says global vector parameter values. That's the thing that we set earlier. Global vector parameter values. It's not, though. Vector parameter value. Maybe I just should uncheck that? Yeah. Eh. I wonder what that's about, because everything on my end feels like it's running smoothly. Dang. I think it... Did it just die? You have to create a material instance actor? I don't know if you can hear me or not, but... Is it... It's a blueprint with events and everything. Is it in here? Where do I... Can I just type? Oh, I can. Material instance. There's material instance. I don't see material instance actor. Can I convert it to an actor somehow? Find parent. Asset actions. Select no. It's a blueprint with events and everything. Huh. Add a material attribute layers parameter. I think. Dang. Why? Why are we still here? Why is it still not working? Yes, a blueprint. Search it when you create it. I know you're not speaking proper English to me. I know it can't just be me. It's a blueprint. Search it when you create it. Which it is which it. Search all classes. Oh, okay, there's that. Maybe you're onto something. Okay, we have a material instance blueprint. This feels even more complex than what we were doing earlier, but okay. So wait, can I like someone says something in Russian that I do not understand, but I appreciate people in the chat using the chat. That's pretty sick. Um so what? What do I I mean, this just looks like a normal blueprint thing. What about this is a material? Oh. My translator has just told me that I don't know if you speak English or understand English. One guy, but I have been learning Unreal for just a little over a year now. I was using it for school, and then I've been using it for projects with friends. But this is beyond me, it looks like. Can I add a material into this? Like, is anything different? Material billboard, that's not what I want. Uh, God, I wish this other thing would just work because it worked for this other guy that I'm watching a video of. Cool. Hmm. It's past your bedtime. I don't really have a bedtime because I don't have anything going on tomorrow. I might go into Marcus for a shift though. Jake, I had my first shift Friday and it was pretty nice. It's like literally nothing's changed. Oh, wait. Idea moment. In that, what I mean by that is I'm just watching the video that I've been watching the whole time, and I might have actually paid attention to it now. The guy, I just don't know if this will work right. If I can click on this and then go to the level blueprint, create a reference for, no, I don't want water body ocean. I want cannon. Can I have cannon? What do I have to do to have cannon? You know what I mean? If I do, oh, that's a worrying thing too. Is if I were to do it for all cannons, the color might change for every single cannon in the game. But I guess it. Nice. I guess that if it is every canon of the game, then at least it would work in some degree. So I'm gonna just try that. I'm just gonna throw this into the world because what the person in the video did is they create this reference to the mesh and hmm they did this. Okay. I'm gonna see if this works and then I might be able to check that out after this. So I'm worried though, because I think what this is gonna do is this is gonna maybe work for this static mesh, but I need this to work for meshes that are part of blueprints, and that's where things are getting weird. Mm-hmm. Mm, I get you. Let me check that. Yeah, I get you. That's pretty cool. I like that. Um, okay. I just don't know what I'm doing anymore. Did he set the source material even? Oh, maybe that's the thing. Nothing. Yeah, I don't know. This is feeling even more hopeless than the collisions thing from earlier. Can I call this variable in a different blueprint? I don't think that's how that works, right? Variables are confined to one blueprint. Right. And even if I could, would it help? Because it wants this collection instead. I almost feel like this doesn't even matter. I think this whole thing is outdated for Unreal Engine 5. Because I think Unreal Engine 5 might be where the material parameter collections were put in to this whole jazz. And I don't know, like I think as long as this is working, I should be good, but it's clearly not working. Canon color. This is called Canon color. Parameters. Vector parameters. Dang. Yeah, I really don't know why it's not changing colors. Because unless this is just like not actually working at all and I just haven't even looked at it really, this has to work. It just makes sense. It should change from blue to red within the 1 second it takes to charge the cannon. That's what this tells me. Compile. I don't know why that wasn't compiled already. I don't think I changed anything. This changes from blue to red when the yeah, I mean like that should work. When it's called cannon parameter, cannon color should change to blue to red. And I know cannon color is correct. Should I get it to change from start to a second color without timeline or anything fancy? Yeah, that's fair. Good night, Aiden. Huh. I wonder what is going on with this dumb thing I'm doing. No war, Russia. Very cool. I'm gonna give this 8 more minutes, and if I can't figure out this color thing, I'm just gonna call it. Unfortunately, because there's just nothing else to do. I don't know. Yes, I was looking at that. I like that. No war, Russia, and then the handshake emoji. It's pretty cool. What doubling? No. Uh 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 uh. I don't think that's what I want. Um. Oh, here's something I could maybe try. Is if I go into here and just change this color, what does that do? Anything? That one looks the same. That one looks the same. Huh. Nothing at all. So that default value doesn't seem to be doing anything. 2 viewers. We are the lowest we've been for a very long time. That's okay though. I don't know who number 2 is, but thanks for hanging out. I don't think. Is it still Paulina? I don't know. Could be someone else. I don't know. I think he did. Yeah. I could just try making this the navy blue again because navy blue has the. Why are there two? Let me check. Nice. I like that. Background's really good. Yeah, that's very true. One viewer. Yay. Okay. I'm literally just trying to get this to work now because it's been so long, you know. I love you too. All I'm trying to do is get this dang thing to work. What do you think of Putin? Says this guy. Uh, not great. He's not great. I think I can say that one. Uh, what do you think of Putin? If you come back, is my question. Maybe. I think he might have been gone already, though. I am Russian and I translate all of this from Google Translator. Ahahaha. Nice. I dislike Putin. Lol. I wonder what he feels about that. I guess we'll see. Uh, do you I mean, they're translating what they're saying. Do they know what I'm saying? Do they even care? Are you watching the stream? What do you get out of this? Do you know? Okay, so that's working. Do you know things? 6 people. I don't know. Maybe if you subscribe, we can talk about that. Um, that would be cool. Canon. Then one viewer gone. I wonder the Russian guy. Maybe he's like flicking out to go translate crap. That's funny. I don't know. Cause he's been back a couple of times now. You know. I'm trying so many different things over and over and over in this now, and it's just like nothing's working. I have one idea left, and after it, I might lose hope. This. Okay, navy blue. And then if I go to the boat pond parent and I can set this to navy blue. I need to make sure it's the right one. 120. Yes. Compile. And then we're going to play. The cannon should change colors, and it's not going to, and it did not change colors. It's kind of fun. Why do you hate Putin? Jesus. Writes the answer in the comment. You subscribed. I want your number, please. Hmm. Why? Hmm. Why do you want my number? What do you want to do with it? I subscribed. It's pretty cool. Or he'll eat my finger. Darn. That's compelling. Um, well, here's the issue. Okay. This is my phone. My phone went through a snowblower 2 days ago, so my number is useless now. Literally in pieces in a Ziploc bag. So, I don't know. I don't think my number will be doing you a whole lot of favors, but I might. If you want to eat your finger, you can do that. Sounds pretty chill. I don't know. I'm gonna run through this whole tutorial one single last time, and if I just nothing clicks, then nothing clicks, and we might have to be done for realsies. Yay! I'm serious. You just saw my phone. It's messed up and dead. What do you want? Why do you want my number? You gotta tell me. What do you want from me? Hmm. Canon color. Hmm. Gotcha. I'm in the middle of eating my finger. Dang. Wow. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. We got a bot. Oh, that's getting banned so fast. Removed. No. My good God. Put user in timeout, I guess. Aww. I appreciate that. Instance. I hate this. This is horrible. Hey, I got a fourth like. Yay. Hmm. Nice. Beginning level. Optify this as a blah, 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 blah. God, this sucks. 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 God, this sucks Mm, I getcha. Anyways, I love you. Thanks. Well, Classic Beat, it's been an honor. And I can proudly say that I have very mixed feelings about you. uh, they should promote to variable. Wow. Wow. So we're gonna create a canon thing. We're gonna go into the boat parent. We're gonna change this to canon again because we have a small sliver of hope for some reason that maybe this will work, even though I've been trying this for like well over an hour now. We're gonna look at this. We're gonna say, okay, this is a sequence. This is gonna do this thingy and then that thingy. This thingy is setting the vector parameter value and is using the value from the timeline, which is changing from a blue to a red. It is taking the parameter, specifically called canon color, from the canon parameters collection. Why do I have mixed fingers about you? Because you said you want to eat your fingies. So that's mixed. God dang. I don't really like when people want to eat their fingies, you know? That's kind of grossies. Kind of grossies. Canon color, canon color, canon color. We are using canon params. It's got canon color right there as a parameter. And we're going to go in here, and it is using canon params, and it is using canon color right here. So, in theory, it should be changing canon color, the color of the canon, based on the timeline. Congratulations. Uh, so just, yeah, everyone in the chat that's like clearly like a super good blueprint scientist, just let me know what I'm doing wrong. Cause I don't know, man. I can't do this anymore. I can't do this anymore. It's not even showing the thing running, but it's clearly running because it's giving me all the hellos. Hellos. Pew. I'm the reason you want to eat your finger. Well, sorry, dude. I don't know what to tell you about that. That kind of sucks for you. I wouldn't recommend you eat your finger if that makes you feel better or something. Set vector parameter value. Set vector parameter value on materials? Is this a thing? Should I be using this instead? Parameter name. What is this? Should I try this instead? Is this gonna do something helpful? Is this gonna even compile right? We'll try this. It's a different node. I don't think it'll. Oh! Oh my god. The cannon changed colors. Oh, it's been so. Wait, why does it go so slow to return? Oh my god, dude. That has been so long. Okay, well, I am so happy about that. I need it to reset though. I need it to reset after. Oh my god, dude. That's so exciting. Oh, I'm so happy about that. Okay. Second wind. We're gonna just freaking do everything else. Okay, so now this is working. Whatever reason, that's the thing that works. The other thing didn't. This is incredible. I am so happy. Oh my god. All I had to do was just switch this stupid node. Okay, so this is changing the color. And then when it's finished, I need it to reset the color. So unfinished. Um, Set vector. I guess I could just copy this actually. Um, Finished. Set this canon color to. Can I copy this? Copy selection? No, I don't want to do that. Oh, dude, that's so exciting. I finally got that working. Someone please call to Z police. I don't know what that means, but that's cool, I guess. Um, Parameter values, vector. This turned it from a linear color to a vector. Okay. So I just need to copy these over, I think. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Now if I compile that, we get no, those do not work at all. This blueprint is not a mesh component, therefore target must have a connection. Yeah, that makes sense. I need to copy and paste the Canon guy here. We're going to move this down. And we're going to plug this in. And hopefully that compiles now. I don't think this is going to read these right, but we're just going to check. If it resets it to anything at all, that'll be cool. Okay, yeah, no. So it is not resetting at all, which makes me think that either that isn't reading as a color right now or something else entirely is happening. I don't know. Set color. Set color. There's got to be an easy way to do this. Set color tint. No, that's not what I. Set vector. Vector set. No, that sucks too. Because you still my heart. Who are you? Classic beat. Who are you? Do you just join streams at 2 a.m. and just hit on people you've never met? Are you even watching my stream? Are you just a bot? Guys, help me. Respond to me. Are you even watching my stream? Why, like, why me? Why have you picked me to have a crush on today? What's going on there? Okay, I'm gonna try that. That should reset it if I'm doing this right. Because when the timeline is finished, no, but it just doesn't. Oh, but if I hold it all the way down, so that's what it means by finished, is if the timeline fully loops. You always watch my stream? Or you always watch a random stream at night and crush on someone? I don't think I get it. Um, Huh, I don't know. Stop cannon charging. Maybe I want this somewhere else. No, kill, please. Oh my god, did I crash it? Oh, Jesus. Oh, I didn't. Nice. I always do. Not today. I'm thinking about you, so please. Wow, I don't even know what you're saying anymore. Oh my god, dude. I am so happy about this color thing going. Okay. Uh, I'm probably gonna end the stream in a couple minutes because I've just finally did this thing that I was working on for hours, and I'm very, very happy to have it done and have learned how to do it. But also, it's like well past 2 a.m. my time, and I really should not be awake anymore. So I think I'm going to end the stream. So, classic beat. I appreciate your attention. I hope to see you next time I stream. Maybe then I'll give you my number. We'll see. But until then, it's been real. Thank y'all for watching. Thanks for 379 views. That's pretty cool. I'm into that. And yeah, see ya.